Well, we are back up here to Jeff's big, it's like 15,000 square foot house build. They have finally approved a landscape design, and it requires a lot more clearing, like literally 6 or 8 more acres behind the house is huge. So everything in the gray right there has to be cleared within that dotted line. The white box right there is the house, and if you remember, the trees go from corner to corner, so there's a lot of work got to be done here to clear out for this new road right here and widen the driveway. They want to clear back like 50 feet, 70 feet to really make a nice wide entrance right here and open this up. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
I've already got it flagged and everything for you. It's all figured out, flagged. I just want your approval.
Oh, why didn't we then?
Approved.
Approved.
All right. I'll send the bill when I'm done.
Perfect.
Did you know that there's a very big tree right here?
Oh, wow. Hey, we can get some money for that. That'll pay for half the clearing right there.
The tree service is going to have to come and cut the top out of it so I can drop it. Is going to,
I've got the,
it's going to probably eliminate that.
boom lifts here.
You and James take care of that, knock down the power lines, everything.
No, we'll tie a big rope to it, and we'll put it on the back of James's vehicle, so if it falls the wrong way, it'll hit his.
Did you see James running the skid steer yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why he's good at stuff like this.
Okay.
He just slams stuff.
Clearly.
We'll just make sure nothing that we care about's in the way.
Yeah, I'll just make sure I'm gone that day.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's a big one.
That's a massive one.
Huh.
Yep. That's a big one. And we got a road, communication lines, a well that they're trying to save that is 3 feet.
Well, we're trying to save the well hole.
Yeah, not the, yeah.
We don't care about anything else.
Yep. It's a big one.
Yes.
The tree looks even bigger when you're standing down here. It's only a 40-inch pine tree. You gonna go stand beside it for a Beely Good pine tree size comparison?
We ought to save this for a log cabin.
Log cabin. One log.
Yeah, go ahead and burn that in your fire.
So we got the clearing limits flagged right here. The only issue we have through here is the power pole over there. When they did the power, they bored it somehow underground where these white flags are, and then they started trenching it right there. So there's the main primary power line comes through here, so something else to worry about. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey, the house got bigger. All right, so there's the house. We're going out 100 feet to the center of the circle driveway, and then we have to go out another 175 feet to where the clearing starts. That's 100 feet? Center of the circle. You gotta go another 175 feet past that. I'm just gonna start putting dots until we figure out. I don't like your paint gun. You broke it. You're gonna get painted. Push down on it. You gotta look in it when you push down on it, make sure you line it up right. It got used on the 10,000 feet of footings we had to dig out here. That's the center of the circle drive. You broke it again.
I didn't fix it.
You didn't fix it. Here, hold that.
Got it.
I'm cameraing over here.
Yeah, important stuff.
So there'll be a, hold that.
I mean,
Open your mouth.
Hang this here.
So that'll be, that dot's the center of the
Big
circle
circle.
drive.
Wow.
So then we got to go 175 feet past that.
That way?
Yep.
Yeah.
For the end of the clearing.
Yeah.
And then we got to go like 60 feet out from each side of this, which is a lot. See, that it really drops off right there.
This is kind of spoiling you right here.
What is spoiling me?
You're not used to having a drawing.
I know, this
You
is
just kinda
nice.
have to-
Just make it work.
Yeah.
You know what I'm looking at?
Yeah.
That transformer, and you know, the plan says the driveway goes on the other side of it, and that's like a, I don't know, a 20-foot ravine right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get to fill that in.
Yeah.
You just treat it like it's a dam, and you just keep putting
Just-
lifts in until it's up here.
Where are we getting all this dirt from?
That big pile in the back.
That big, you haven't seen beside the house where the basketball court has to go, where it drops off like another 20 feet. We'll get there. We'll get there. Let's start up here first.
Okay.
Go, Robert, go.
Good job.
175 feet out now.
All right. So I can get some before shot of what you're
Before shots.
Mhm.
So that's 320 feet
doing from the door.
from the front door. So now we got to go out 30 feet on each side. We probably won't get too crazy right here because that's not really going to accomplish a whole lot.
Yeah.
But I think we take more right in there, and you'll definitely see the house as we come up. So we'll flag this and go from there. You know what that means, Jeff?
Means it's gonna be a good project.
It's going to be a good project. We've already found our first balloon, and we haven't even started clearing yet. Let's see what it is. It's a happy birthday balloon.
Oh. Hey, are you gonna be my first guest on Beely Unfiltered?
Do I have an option?
No.
So yeah, probably so. Trying to film over here, and Jeff has dropped an SD card and saying bad things.
Well, this is an episode of Beely Unfiltered.
He said, "Dang it."
I said, dang it, for sure. That's what it was.
So we painted out where we could of the circle drive, and it goes from right here where that orange line is to way over here. And then the driveway actually kicks off and goes through there, so we'll have to clear those trees out and fill all that in with dirt from somewhere. We've got this marked, so we got to clear all these trees off all the way back 100 feet, and then about somewhere behind this trailer, this ends up being more parking area. So we got to fill this massive gully in and clear back like another 100 and some feet here, because it ends up being 80 feet from the side of the house where the outdoor basketball court is going. So all this gets cleared and filled in level with the house. So that big ravine has got to get filled in. That's the bowling alley right there. We'll have to clear all of these trees out and cut this hill down to level this up and possibly get enough dirt to do what I want to do. We might just have to focus on doing that first. And there's a lot of dirt right here. This can be cut down a lot, and there's, you know, that big pile right there, but that's going to disappear really quickly. We'll see. All right, so we are walking down here from the house because his grand plan is to build like a 6, 8, or 10 acre lake down here. So I haven't never walked down here and seen exactly what we have, so I'm gonna walk down here and check it out, see what the ground conditions look like. Done with one job looking, off to look at a couple more. Gotta clean all this up for Kevin. Looks like they've been doing a lot clearing. Bring the dozers up here, root rake everything, and grade it out. Looks like they got a little bit of a rain last night, so he's burning. It's always nice to get up here and look at everything and see what we're getting into. All those scratches. It adds character, and you've got plenty of it. Oh, gracious. Well, we got a lot to clean up. You got a lot to burn. Well, it looks like he's got a lot to burn. Today's Friday at lunchtime. He's gonna come back over here tomorrow and stack stuff up. Hopefully get all this ready so we can root rake and doze. I was gonna go over here and get a video of the skidder with the rake, drag, and brush, but I really don't want a hot ember down my back. Oh yeah, if he stays over here, he can get this burn up today, hopefully. Find out. Oh, we're root raking now. He's got a dozer rake on the front of his skidder. And he's pushing. Now you're on video. Job number 2. It's almost like you left to go do some work for me.
Exactly what I did.
And then you ain't been back. And now
I brought you with me.
Now you brought me since I needed you to come clear that site, and then you just kind of got moved.
Yeah.
Moved around, and
We're back now.
the good thing is the stumps are probably dry by now. We might need a D6 up here. What do you think, Robert? Robert concurs with the D6. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe we'll bring the D6 up here and do heavy pushing for one day, take it home, and then bring the other little grader in. I think we can, between the Komatsu and the D6, we can round all that up in a day. I like that plan. That's a lot of stumps. A lot of stumps.